Hello, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Gus Priadi Agil Sabara. I took a civil engineering program in Unisula. I come from Pekalongan and I live in Pekalongan. I will describe the construction my house. Let's watch it. Hello guys, this is a simple drawing layout my house. This is a foundation in my house, and in every corner of the wall, this is a foundation. Every corner of the wall. Then this is a living room. This is a family room. This is a classroom and family room. Separated by a cupboard. This is a dining room, and my house have 4 sleeping rooms, 2 bedroom, and this is warehouse. This is a kitchen. This is a mini garden. This is 2 garage. This is a terrace. In every room have a dividing wall. This is a door leading to dining room and family room. This is a door leading to